So today we have Revati with us. She has taken admission to Caucasus University in Georgia, and she's the one who was really eager to go to Georgia. She had, of course, you must be having a lot of dreams when it comes to the university part of the Georgia, the country. And before going to the university and the country, I want to know from you that what motivated you to select MBBS and what motivated you to not waste one more year and go for abroad education?
As everyone's childhood dream, I also had a childhood dream of becoming doctor, and I envisioned myself in doctor coat, stethoscope, and that's why now I'm living the life of that. And I didn't want to take one more year because I know what are the circumstances in India. So one more dropout again, like it will be a trauma for me. I can't take the educational trauma and mental trauma. So I thought of going MBBS abroad as both.
Generally, even the dreams will not be able to fulfill if you don't have the supporting parents. And I have met your parents who are way too supportive.
Yeah.
Why do you feel that they have all the trust in you that you can do it?
First of all, I'm very grateful for my parents, especially my father. Being a doctor, he's sending me with all these expenses. Like others might think, like Indian ka, what you tell, why you send daughter, then he will go to others' house and all. But he didn't think like that. So I'm very grateful for him. He's so supportive. And I don't know, I'm so lucky, that's all.
Yeah, of course you are, because I spoke to many parents, and most of the parents were like, no, we cannot send her abroad. It's okay, we'll spend around 70-80 lakhs here itself, or maybe 1 crore here, but we want our daughter to be with us. It's not about your kids being only with you, it's about giving them a chance to experience something new and also giving them the opportunities, plus with an affordable cost, which is not a burden on you. And at the end of the day, even the kids will not be so pressurized. Okay, my parents are spending a lot on us here in India, and it's only for a bachelor's course. Like, do you agree or not?
Yes,
Like, how would
true.
you feel if like your father is spending almost 1.5 crores?
Yeah, that's what made me into MBBS abroad. The cost is affordable, the same education, and I think my parents trust me more. Like, yeah, so that's it.
Thank you so much.